Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to make a chart of given data in Google Sheet by using mobile. So here is your data, name, then two subject marks. So first we need to select all the data. So first tap on a first cell, then just drag and select all these 3 rows and 3 columns. After that, just click on the plus sign which is at the top side. See, top side here is a plus icon. So just click on that plus. So you will get the different menu at the bottom side, that is link, chart, images, then insert rows and all. So from this select the chart. Okay, and which type? See, here is a chart. The marks indicating this blue color marks 1, then red color marks 2, and here is the name of the student. See, Sonali and Rupali are the name of the student. Here type is column chart. You can change the chart type as per your requirement. Suppose I want this pie chart, just click here, you can change it. Or if you want line chart, column chart or any bar chart, you can take the particular type. See, this is bar chart. If you want this column type, again you can take the column type. Okay, so in this way you can convert your data into graphical format. That is, you can make the graph of your data, you can represent your data in the graphical format by using the option chart in Excel. Okay, see, chart in Google Sheet. See, you can move this chart, you can resize this chart, you can move in this way. Just tap on this and you can move the chart anywhere in your sheet. Or if you want to resize it, you can minimize and maximize this chart by using this sizing handle. These two dots, by using these two dots, diagonal dots, you can move the position of your charts. Thank you.